Are we live? Come on, buddy. Work. Okay, there it is. Jesus. Okay, so yeah, this tripped me up. Thank God I'm doing testing right now, because it would have been a terrible thing to see going live, and well, probably chat would have let me know. And actually Hamad did let me know. I should have read the let's start chat and maybe infer that something went wrong. So yeah, I'm just trying out all of my settings here. Turns out, actually let me go live on Twitch. See if this works. Come on. Pop up. There it is. So this is why you test things first. Same thing applies to coding and everything else. Why saying this is not longer available? Come on. Go live, little thing. There it is. I can see myself now. So yeah, this is why you test things. And let me say it again. My idea was go live on YouTube and Twitch. Oh, that's my idea for this Wednesday. And the problem is, the way that I had this set up is, as soon as I click go live on OBS, it will start immediately. It was like an auto start thing. So as soon as I click the button OBS, it will go live on YouTube. But that was only when I had only YouTube. As soon as I installed this new plugin for multi-streaming, so that I can go live on Twitch and YouTube at the same time, first I have to go live on YouTube and then on Twitch. Twitch worked. YouTube didn't, because on YouTube, now I have to go and click start streaming and then go live. And on top of that, when I did that a second ago, OBS crashed. So that is a little worrying. The good thing is you can just restart OBS and just the stream is gonna go black for a second and then start over. Same on Twitch. So in terms of numbers, I'm looking at these stats here. Stream health, it's looking good on YouTube. Bitrate is fine. Well, not the recommended amount, but I mean, I don't have that good of an internet connection here. And let me check Twitch real quick. Can't see bitrate on Twitch, but I don't, well, according to OBS, connection looks fine. No drop frames. Everything is fine. Cool. Who's on chat, by the way? I see three people watching. Unless one of those is me, there should be another 2 on the chat. So say hi, just to make sure that everything is fine and you can see me and volume is okay. I'm gonna turn off the music for now. There it is. Hey Farouk, hi, how you doing, man? So glad to see you here. So this is kind of a testing scenario that I'm doing right now, because I'm going to start streaming 3 times a week, same time, 7:30, but I'm going live simultaneously on Twitch and YouTube. Looks good? Awesome. All right. So yeah, I was a little concerned about quality, because now I'm streaming to 2 places at the same time, and my computer or my connection, 5 a.m. Oh, did I wake you up? I'm sorry. You are an early bird, my friend. So Yeah, I was concerned about the quality of the image. Now that I'm streaming to two places at the same time, that means that it's twice the throughput. So I just wanted to see how things work. And it didn't work too well at the beginning. Twitch went fine. YouTube, it was a blank screen for like 30 minutes. That's why you test things. That's why you make yeah, that's why you text. That's why you test. Make sure that everything. Now that I know, Wednesday is gonna be fine. So Wednesday, I'm gonna start a new project. It's gonna be like a service thing for a radio station where you can type in your ad, and then we're gonna use AI to. We're gonna use text to speech from OpenAI to turn that text into an ad that the user can review and then pay, and people can pay on a per ad basis. And I mentioned this before, but YouTube didn't get it. It is a service that is live here in Costa Rica that is called mianuncio.cr, which is Spanish for myad.cr, where people can just type in their ad, and then someone on the radio is going to do the voiceover. So it's a bit more professional that way. So I thought, how about we make it worse? How about we use AI instead and cut the middleman and just let the user type in the ad and use text to speech, and the user can review the audio for the ad and pay for it. Good idea, right? What could go wrong? So I was mentioning that I was doing some testing this weekend, and that is all you need to do text to speech with OpenAI. Obviously, you need to have an account, and you need to create an OpenAI key or a secret. But once you have that, all you need is this: HTTP :sync to save the response as a file, pass the token from your configuration. I have it on services OpenAI, which is in turn is getting it from the .env. I just pasted the API key in my .env file and putting it in the config file. So you just make a post to this endpoint, provide the model, which is TTS1, pass the input that you want to be made into an audio, and then provide the voice that you have. There is like 6 voices that you can use. And then you just do that post, and what you get in response is that file. And as you can see, this Wednesday, we begin a new project with Laravel framework, and you do the post, and what you get is...
This Wednesday, we begin a new project with the Laravel framework.
So that's the Alloy voice. I don't know if the audio is coming through, but I hope it is. I think it is. Is it? Can you hear this?
This Wednesday, we begin a new project with the Laravel framework.
Did you hear that?
This Wednesday, we begin a new project with the Laravel framework.
So yeah, my idea is to create the same kind of service, make the UI a bit more good looking, because right now the web page is very bootstrappy. I got a template and turn it into a web page. Very WordPress bootstrappy looking. I don't like it. So maybe I can do some improvements on the UI. It's not going to be too complicated. It's just one form, one invoice, and then payment. That's it. But the text to speech, I thought it was interesting. And then maybe if we see if we think it's available, or sorry, if it is a good idea. I saw this tutorial about web components. I saw the speech from Caleb Porcio about Flux, and I saw that he is using web components for Flux. And I started reading about it and doing some research, and they're very interesting. It's very JavaScript heavy, but they're very interesting to create. Maybe we can create a web component for an audio player, very minimal audio player, so that we don't have to use the browser audio tag from HTML. I already watched a tutorial about it and I saw someone else doing it purely on JavaScript, but it looked kind of cool. So maybe I want to try that out too. Make a web component and combine a web component with Livewire and Alpine.js. And yeah, as I said, starting this Wednesday, I'm going to start streaming same time, 7:30, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that I can use that content and then create shorter videos for YouTube and keep a consistent streaming schedule 3 times a week on Twitch and YouTube. I don't know if it's me or I'm not looking in the right places. It doesn't seem like there is much Laravel live stream content on Twitch. I found like maybe 2 people doing Laravel web development. One is from Argentina. I don't remember his name, but that's on YouTube. I don't know if he streams on Twitch as well. Maybe he does. And it's Spanish. And but I found pretty much nothing English live stream Laravel related on Twitch. So maybe that's something cool that people would like to see. And now that we have a whole category for software and development, mostly game development, but maybe we can just sneak up in there and just, I'm here, like notch ourselves into that category. Should be cool. Thank you, Farouk, for being here. It's really cool of you, really kind of you to show up at this time so early. I'm gonna think everything went well this time. But yeah, stay tuned for the Twitch live stream. If you like Twitch and you prefer to watch me on Twitch, now you can. I should post the link of the channel. Let me see if I can do it on chat here. It'll be Twitch. Wait. Oh, let me do it here. Easier. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Come on. Give me the chat. Here we go. So that's the channel right there. If you prefer to follow me on Twitch, now you can do it. This is my channel. I spruced it. No, this is not my channel. Why are you going here? Oh, I clicked watch channel. Sorry. Let's go here. Twitch TV/me. So yeah, I spruced up the channel over the weekend. There's your regular content. Maybe I can work a little bit more on this section here, but I just wanted something simple that I can use to go live right away. Awesome. So yeah, there it is. I'm going live on Twitch 3 days a week and on YouTube. And I hope you can join me. And if you are a Twitch user, maybe you can follow me. It'll be greatly appreciated. And also I can test my alerts because I don't know if they work. Anyway, Farouk, thank you so much. I hope I can see, I'll see you again on Wednesday, either on YouTube or Twitch, and everyone else as well. And we're going to have fun with this new project, and we're going to live stream regularly 3 times a week. Friday is still the Kanban board project. But once that is done, this new project is going to carry over to the Fridays as well. And once we are done with this project, then I'll just keep streaming same schedule, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's not going to depend on whether or not I have a project. I'm going to try and keep a consistent schedule. And if I don't have a project, maybe I'll just choose a topic. I already mentioned this before. Maybe I'll just choose a topic from Laravel or Filament or Livewire or I don't know, Jetstream, something, and then just go live and do something with it, like explain some concept or maybe answer questions or just hang out and just create some code together. I hope you find that interesting enough to follow me and join me on this new, I'm not going to say, well, yeah, it's a new adventure. It is. It is. Nothing wrong with that. So yeah, join me every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 7:30 p.m. That's 7:30 Central, sorry, MST, UTC -6. I'll be tweeting about it and putting it on Discord as well. So don't worry if you don't want to do the math. But yeah, thank you so much. I think I'm gonna sign off now, and see you on Wednesday. Bye.